Hi, my name is Graham Ford. I'm the production manager here at Unique Seaflex. I've been with the company for 22 years and I'm responsible for overseeing the production processes here. The first operation at Seaflex for manufacture of our buoyancy and ballast range of products is the cutting table. The PVC is loaded onto the table. We have a CNC table which has a tiny pizza wheel, cuts sub-product, puts pen lines on it so the operators know where to put all the sub-components, and material efficiency at this stage of the process is really important. So we try to maximise as much of the material as possible by filling in the gaps with sub-components to reduce the amount of waste that leaves the table. Okay, phase 2 of the production process is prep welding. This is where we take our cut panels from the cutting table and we start to weld on all of the attachment points, strop panels, company branding and any other lifting accessories or reinforcers for valves. Okay, step 3 in the manufacturing process is the assembly welding. Assembly is where we take our panels from prep, which now have strop panels, strop pockets, valve reinforcers, holes punched out. All of those things have already been done, and this is the process of joining those two panels together. These form our structural welds, and where the bag then starts to take its shape into a balloon or a cylinder. Okay, one of the final stages in the manufacture of buoyancy and ballast products is rigging and inspection. During this phase, we inflate every product, we pressurise it, leave it on a pressure test if it's an enclosed unit, and we wet test every welded seam. We do this to make sure that our seams are structurally sound and are free from any leaks. In addition to our main manufacturing operations, we also have a sub-assembly line. This is our sewing and stitching. For this, we manufacture in-house lifting accessories, handling points, detanglers and inverter lines. This has also been critical with some operations in the past where we've been able to offer bespoke solutions to fit a customer's requirement.